Hello friends, it's time for our regular cipher game on Hamster Kombat. Okay, without wasting much of our time, as we all know, we have to first of all activate the game board and then get the word and the Morse code. So let's first of all tap on this N, but tap 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so let's start with the letter S. Short. That gives us S, and then short, long, that is A. And let's go for long, that's for T. Then the next word, long, that is O. Then the next one, short, and then that's H, S. Then the next one, H, short. That's 4 times. And then the last, short. Okay, so this should be very simple for you to do because it has more of the short taps than the long taps today. So spell the code Satoshi and then join us to earn or to claim your 1 million. Please check out tomorrow's updates on the cipher and the daily combo. Currently the daily combo is still on. You can check out other videos, play and earn more. Don't forget, the days are few for Hamster to start talking about the real token conversion, listing and possibly launching. Thank you for watching and stay tuned.